A recent announcement was made by Fred Olsen Cruise Lines that they will be acquiring two Holland America line ships, the Amsterdam, seen here in Alaska in September 2019, and sister ship, the Rotterdam. The Rotterdam was built in 1997 and the Amsterdam in the year 2000. The ships will be renamed Bolette and Borealis. Both ships will carry 1,500 guests. Each ship will have its own unique style and personality and will bring exciting new features, including more space throughout the ships, original artwork and premium decor, an all-weather swimming pool with a retractable roof, a wide choice of restaurants, lounges and bars, more balcony cabins and suites, culinary demonstration and wine tasting venues, a classic two-tiered theatre, dedicated meeting spaces, perfect for groups, additional spa facilities including a thermal suite, hydrotherapy pool and more treatment rooms. The two ships will be handed over from Holland America line into Fred Olsen's fleet as early as September